Some people had lost their way in the jungle. One boy's shoe was being bitten by a venomous spider, and another boy saved him. If the spider had bitten him, he would have died. One of the boys trapped the spider in a bottle. If this spider bites anyone, they don't survive. Then, they all set out to search for a boat. In the jungle, a drunk man was sailing a boat when a huge snake attacked him. He tried to run to save his life, but the snake caught him from behind and ate him. At that moment, the other boys heard the explosion of the boat. They went to check on the boat. Seeing it, they were all saddened, realizing that it was the only boat in the jungle, and now it was destroyed. They looked around in anger, but there was no one to help. Then, they started searching the wreckage of the boat, hoping to find something useful.